All right, here's the awesome compressor sounding dehumidifier that Jay has made a couple of videos of. So I figured we'll do a startup video. Move a couple. Oh, sorry, washer. I'll put this on the floor. That's better off. So sorry I hurt the washer. But on a minor washer, I wouldn't give a shit. Anyway, back to this dehumidifier. Why don't we fire this up if it's plugged in or not?
It is.
So let's fire it up and listen to the sound of the awesome compressor, as Jay calls it. Oh yeah, beautiful. Here's the front, where the air gets sucked in, gaining some pressure. This is the back of it where the hot warm air comes out. This is the fan on low. Not too much of a difference, but yeah. I wish I would find a vintage dehumidifier around this time, or I like even older, around the 70s or the 80s, to replace that shitty Amana dehumidifier. But the thing is, my parents don't like me bringing some junk, as they refer to it, at home, and they prefer the energy efficiency. That's the reason why they got that Amana and replaced that McGraw Edison and brought it back to my uncle. Anyway, so this is the awesome compressor sound, and here it is shutting down with a slight vibration. That's the way all recips are. All right, well, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed.